Paano kung uhaw na uhaw ka na, Beb? Tapos ang natitirang water na lang. Ay, ayun. Sagada pattern. Lamig ah. Sagada pattern. Welcome.
This pottery started in year 2000 by Archie Stapleton. Amerikano siya na napadpad dito in the 1960s. Nakita ko niya ang potential ng iron raw materials, kaya doon naman niya ito itinayo for Sagada community for alternative livelihood. So, ibig sabihin po, ang clay namin nanggagaling dito sa Sagada. Kailangan namin dumaan sa proseso, maghahanap po muna kami ng clay. Pag may nahanapan po naman kami na inaakala namin maganda, kailangan namin kumuha ng konti, iti-testing namin siya. Pag maganda naman po ang kakalapsan niya, hahakot kami ng paramihan, ibababad namin dahil pagkatapos ng babad, kailangan namin siyang salain. Sasalain namin siya ng 4 na beses hanggat makuha namin ang consistency of fineness na katulad nito. But we do not use it immediately after having it sieved. We have to age it at least a minimum of 3 weeks before having it molded. So, ang unang-una kong gagawin, isisentro ko muna ang clay with the speed of the wheel and with the pressure from both of my hands. So, this is centering. So, cylinder at cylinder ang nauuna, and then we will shape it to another shape. So, to do the cylinder, I would have to put a hole at the very center, and then from there, itataas po naman natin ng clay. Kung paano natin gagawin yon, i-compress natin siya sa ilalim, and then we slide our fingers up slowly until the top. Ulitin natin para tumaas lalo, compressor at the bottom, and then we slide our fingers up. So, ito na po ang cylinder natin. Out of this cylinder, we are now going to shape it to another shape. So, sa shaping naman po, ang pressure manggagaling from my inside hand. I would have to push the clay outwards, and while pushing, I am going up. Here at the middle, I would have to push it in from the outside hand. With the support from the inside hand, we will slowly go up, sliding our fingers up. And before the very, very top, we will push it outwards, and it becomes, that is the making of the pot. If you want it to be a water jug, so from there, I would have to air dry it for 5 days. 5 days later, it becomes leather dry. I would have to come back, trim it at the bottom, and then I will attach the handle. And then we air dry it again for 1 month bago po namin siya lutuin. That is the making of the pot. Who wants to try it?
What are you going to make, Moy? Can you make a giraffe?
Hindi kaya.
Alright, let me have your hands. Okay, we'll have them pressed in both. Alright. Now we will separate them apart slowly. Good job. Release. Now we're going to do the cylinder. Relax. I will be the one to put pressure. Don't squeeze it with that, okay? So we kind of compress here at the bottom, and then slowly we go up. Okay, one more time. Compress, and then slowly we slide our fingers up. There you go. Now you feel it. Out from that, like your sister, you are going to shape it into a bowl. So how you are going to do that? Okay, one hand in. Push the clay outwards, and while you push, you would just have to slowly go up. One more time. Push. Look at that. Okay,
Wow.
one more time. Good job.
Very good.
It's a very good shape, isn't it? It's my first bone.
Wow. Very good, Moy.
May pangano ka na for pansit canton.
You like to?
My turn. Are you ready?
Give me your two hands. Give me your two hands. Farther in here. Okay.
Ikaw, mama.
Okay. Here. There you go. Very good. Now, two thumbs at the middle. Two thumbs. We will push them both. Okay. Now, we are going to separate them apart slowly. Good job. Release. Very
Wow.
Okay, now we're going to do the cylinder. Relax your hands. I will be the one to put pressure. So, i-compress natin siya sa ilalim. And then slowly, we just have to slide our fingers up. One more time. Compress. Okay, you just feel it like this. Okay, feel it.
That's not chocolate, my no?
Don't taste my, huh?
Okay, very good. Now, it's going to be a cute cereal bowl.
Wow.
Push the clay outwards, and while we push, we are going up. So cute. One more time. Push. Go straight up.
Wow.
Isn't that cute?
Yay!
You can do like this.
Oh, laki na ng bowl mo, May.
Wow.
Wow.
May pagano ka.
Mm-mm.
There you go. Very good. You did a good job. You will take it out. Flatten your hands. You like this. So, here.
Yay!
Alright.